Hello everyone, I myself SB Rafia from CSM first year SRIT. Today I am here to present a topic on articles from communicative English. So let's start the topic. So first of all, why we have to learn articles? Articles are very useful to communicate English fluently. Nowadays, communication is very important to us, and communication with fluent English is our next level. So articles helps us to have a fluent English. Articles also helps us to have a clarity in communication. So of course, learning articles is a bit of tedious, but they are very useful to us to have a good communication. So let's learn about what is articles and what are the types and how to use the articles. First of all, articles. Articles are the words which are used before nouns to define specific or unspecific words. They help us to clarify whether we are talking about something in general or in particular. Actually, articles are three: a and the, and they are of two types as definite and indefinite articles. So let us analyze on the types of articles. Types of articles. Types of articles of two types as indefinite and definite articles. A or and comes under indefinite articles, and the comes under definite articles. First of all, we come across indefinite articles a or and. It refers to non-specific nouns used when mentioning something for the first time. For example, I saw a dog in the park. She ate an apple. A or an is used when we mention the particular thing for the first time in a sentence. So it is also used when we use a numerical one. Before the numericals, a article is used. For example, I gave him a 1 rupee coin. Next, the definite article the. It refers to the specific noun. It is used when both the speaker and the listener wants to know what is being to be referred. So, for example, the sun rises in the east. The book which is particular one, the book is mine. The book on the table is mine. So let's see why we have to use a. A article. A article is used before the words which begins with consonant sounds. Which begins with consonant sounds irrespective of the first letter. Irrespective of the first letter, if the word starts with consonant sounds, then it should be followed by a article. For example, a car, a book, a university. Here, k, b, u are the consonant sounds. Here, irrespective of the first letter, here we have u is as vowel letter, but the sound is consonant. So you'll get a article. Next, when we have to use an article is used before the words which begins with vowel sounds. The words which begins with vowel sounds are followed by an article. An apple, an hour, an elephant. Next, this is the most important, no article. No article, we may have get confused from our childhood that when we have to use no article option. No article option is used before plural nouns and uncountable nouns when we are speaking in general. In general, when we talk, then no article is used. No article is used before names, months, and languages also. For example, in general, we'll say we have English hour. We won't say we have the English hour, right? Similarly, languages, the Hindu, the English, the Hindi. No, not like that. Telugu, Hindi, English. And also months. Coming to months, it's just like January, February, March. Not the March, the April. No, not like that. And also, in general thing, for uncountable nouns like I like music. I like music. Students should work hard. Uses of the article. Here we have some special cases. In English, we have positive degree, superlative, comparative degree, and superlative degree. So, when we use superlative degrees in the sentences, then we use the article. The is used before unique things, and it comes before the nouns which is already been mentioned. Before the singular countable nouns, we use the article, and before noun clause words, we use article the. Before the names of mountains, oceans, seas, rivers, lakes, we use the article. Before the names of holy books, for example, the Quran, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bible, etc. Before the names of countries that exist more than one word, for example, the United States of India. Next, the common mistakes in articles. For example, he is a honest. Here, H is a consonant. So, hurriedly we answer an. So, it's not an. It's hurriedly we answer a. But it's not a. It's an. Because they're honest. A is the vowel sound. Next, here, school is the common uncountable noun. It is general. She went to school. It is general. School is a general word which is uncountable. So we use no article there. Coming to the conclusion, articles are very essential for clear communication. A or an. In general, when we talk general talks, a or an is used. And to specify one thing, we use the article, and for known nouns, already known nouns, we use the article. So practice helps in mastering uses. So thank you for giving this opportunity to me. Thank you.